how to make video on CapCut for TikTok. Now, if you are a content creator on TikTok and then you would like to create a video for TikTok using CapCut, because CapCut is actually popularly integrated with TikTok. So what you want to do is first download the TikTok app from Play Store, App Store, iPhone, Android, PC or whatever. Once you've downloaded the app, launch it, and it is a free application. There is also the paid version, but if you're using free, you might have to deal with some of the ads, unfortunately. So let me just close this ad. Now what I can do is I can choose many of the popular templates that others have created. So I can go to this templates option from the bottom left. Once I'm done here, let's say I want a template for a certain slideshow or video, I can select that particular one right here, and once I've chosen a certain template, you can see a couple of relevant ones right here. I can tap on choose template, then I can choose a video that I want for this template and hit the next button. Once done, based on that template, it will automatically create a video for me in whatever ways I want, and I can export it. Otherwise, what you can do is you can also manually choose to upload a video and then edit it out in your own way. So go to edit, go to new project, select a video that you prefer, tap on add. Then after that, you can first of all choose an aspect ratio. So go to the aspect ratio tab, then select the TikTok aspect ratio, hit the arrow icon. Now you can add some captions, you can add filters, adjust the saturation, contrast, highlights, brightness. You can go to stickers, you can add a background, and once you've done editing, you can simply choose your resolution, frame rate and everything and hit the export icon. That's all it takes to make video on CapCut for TikTok. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.